107 meters long, with a beam of 17 meters, Luminosity ushers in a new era in the history of yacht design and construction. Silent hybrid propulsion, 5,844 gross tons, 6 decks, 12 staterooms and an 8,000-mile range. Cutting-edge technology is at the core of her performance and the driving force behind her design and decor. Dramatic installations offer new virtual dimensions, but also look to the past for inspiration. The powerfully minimalistic interior includes subtle tributes to 20th century art. The craftsmanship is second to none, while huge windows ensure that light becomes an essential design feature. Capable of integrating technological advancements, she incorporates eco-friendly solutions to maximize use and minimize consumption, blending past and future, art and technology, enjoyment and performance. Luminosity is in a class of her own. This is the perfect place to begin the owner's experience on board Luminosity. The aft section of the sun deck is a commercial helicopter landing deck with its own refueling station. The certified deck can accommodate a helicopter the size of a Bell 429 or similar. It's worth noting the space and flexibility of this deck, which can also hold 2 cars, including a Rolls-Royce Phantom or similar, a 24-foot sailboat, and 2 motorbikes. The forward area is a glorious panoramic retreat featuring a splendid infinity tub overlooking the water. The tub is inlaid with water blue Bisazza mosaics and equipped with a full custom hydro massage system. Inside the yacht, sunlight itself becomes a design feature. The circular staircase is lit up by a magnificent skylight. The play between natural and artificial light is enhanced by 800 square meters of windows around the superstructure. The staircase is truly monumental, a feat of engineering and interactive art. Over 18 meters high and passing through 5 of the yacht's 6 decks, solid girders of polished stainless steel have been molded to support toughened glass steps, leading through the virtual life-sized forest which shimmers in the changing light. For an owner arriving by helicopter, it's just a short walk down the staircase through the virtual forest to the owner's deck. The wide, airy corridor leading to the master suite is inlaid with brightly coloured marbles that draw inspiration from nature's elements. We'll start by taking a look at the master stateroom. It offers spectacular 180-degree views through 3-metre-high windows supported by honey-coloured oak pillars resting on granite bases. Exceptional headroom, light, and exquisitely decorated floors and ceilings are the hallmark of this yacht. The owner's bed can be electrically raised by 80 centimeters to better take advantage of the remarkable views the windows afford. The master stateroom opens into a generously proportioned owner's terrace. Above the bedhead, what appears to be another work of modern art is actually a virtual window, showcasing the surrounding views captured by a high-definition camera installed on the mast. Possibly one of the most remarkable aspects of the owner's deck is the truly spacious dressing area, split into different sections with walk-in wardrobes and opening onto a private massage room overlooking the water. The ensuite bathroom, with its hand-chiseled marble bathtub, is a tribute to the yacht's interior design and the inspired use of natural materials. At the other end of the deck, forward of 3 well-sized guest staterooms, is the owner's private study with a separate PA's office. Designed as an allegory of time, the custom-made desk is shaped like a metal tank watch strap, while the floor mimics the face of a timepiece. Spacious and airy, with open views over the bow, it's difficult to imagine a more inviting place to conduct business. Arrival by sea is a very special experience, and the lower deck sea lobby provides a fitting welcome. Here, at the base of the staircase, and visible from every deck, an arresting marble eye stares upwards, a witty tribute to Man Ray. On the right, a high-speed glass elevator whisks you up to any deck. Before we look at the guest staterooms, we should explore the lower deck, since this is an area where the owner and the guests will almost certainly be spending a lot of their time. Luminosity has the latest generation beach club, and it is exceptional, even by the standards of large custom-built yachts. It covers an area of 230 square meters and is designed both for fitness and leisure. The spa amenities include a 30 square meters indoor pool with counterflow current, a 4-degree centigrade plunge pool, and an oversized gym, both with balconies that open up onto the sea. There is also a hammam decorated in blue and silver Bisazza mosaics. Entertainment plays an equally important role in the beach club. Shell doors open on 3 sides to maximize the views and water access, while the decor features eye-catching lighting installations and mega screens. At night, the area can be converted into a cinema or nightclub, and the pool's floor raised to double as a dance floor. The bar offers different seating arrangements, and the dining area is perfect for an informal lunch or waterfront dining with friends and family. And many of those family and friends will be staying in one of the 11 strikingly modern guest staterooms. Each one is unique, and the elegant design is enhanced by an eclectic combination of materials: gold leaf and brushed cement, statuario marble fittings combined with minimalist fireplaces, an exciting mix of modern decor, natural light, subtle color schemes, and eye-catching installations. Walking down the beautifully inlaid main deck corridor, we reach one of the most attractive areas on Luminosity, the main saloon. Full of light thanks to the large 3-meter-high windows and exceptional headroom, the floors, walls, and even the ceiling feature some truly unique design elements. Here, the hand-painted blue Portuguese Majolica sideboard offsets the sleek carbon fibre dining table that can extend to host 27 guests. Overhead is a glittering light installation designed as a tribute to the world-famous paper cutouts by Matisse. Moving forward, the large and well-equipped owner's galley has been designed to cater for different styles of global cuisine. Providing ample working space for chefs, it is functional and easy to maintain. And finally, on this deck, at the forward end, is a state-of-the-art tender garage that has been designed to accommodate 3 40-foot tenders, plus an adjacent storage area for toys. A brand new limousine tender, beach landing craft, and express luxury tender, all custom built for Luminosity by Reliant Yachts, may be available for purchase by separate agreement. Sleek, sumptuous, and innovative, Luminosity lies ready for her maiden cruise. Benetti built this yacht to passenger yacht code standards, the most rigorous in terms of safety, security, and performance. the highest of standards for the most advanced of yachts. Luminosity is in a class of her own.